Hi, my name's Seth. I'm an internet sales manager here at Kalispell Toyota. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new audio multimedia features. This one in this case is going to be hooking up your phone via Bluetooth. Welcome to the audio multimedia screen. So over here on the left we have 5 different columns for customization and selections. We're going to go down to the gear selection here. This is where we're going to have Bluetooth in devices for hooking up your phone. Right here it's going to say search for devices, so we're just going to tap that real quick, and now it's going to be looking for phones that are available for pairing. So this one's going to be an iPhone user, but it should work the same for an Android. You're going to go into your settings tab and find the Bluetooth column or connections column for an Android. Coming up, you're going to see some different options. One of them here is going to be Toyota Tundra. We're going to jump into that real quick. Now we're going to pair. That code is going to match with the audio multimedia screen. We're just going to hit OK. Now on my phone here, it's asking if I'm going to want to sync in my favorite contacts. In this case, I'm going to say no. That's for if I wanted to do messaging, phone calls, all of that jazz. In this regard, I am good. Now we can use Apple CarPlay. With an Android, it'll be an Android Auto option. We're going to say yes to CarPlay, and I'm going to say OK on the audio multimedia screen. It's going to ask you for your phone number. I'll get that plugged in, and then we'll jump back in. I'll show you CarPlay. Now that we have the phone number plugged in and connected to my cell phone, we're going to say yes to Apple CarPlay. It's going to connect. I'm going to make sure on my phone real quick, next to Toyota Tundra, there's a blue eye. I'm going to click in there and hit show notifications and then allow for CarPlay apps. And now we're going to move back to the screen. You're all set up there. This is your CarPlay. So in this instance, this is where you're going to use your iPhone apps or Android apps right up on your screen. That way you don't have any distracted driving. In the meantime, I can place my phone down here. For the capstone, it's going to be a wireless phone charging pad. But this is kind of where we're going to go through, see the different options as far as phone calls, music, using maps, messaging. I can even click into my calendar and see what's going on today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or leave a comment. We're here to help. Thank you again.